So then we are going to take, Peg mixed up some fondant. We used the green satin ice and mixed chocolate satin ice with it. Did you end up putting any white in it? I don't think we did.
No, I didn't. No. But look at this fabulous green we got.
Fabulous.
Fabulous. Hey,
Gorgeous.
you cannot take my word fabulous. It's mine.
Okay.
All right, so I'm just going to knead this ever so slightly to get it started. Oh, she's got a roller. She's ready.
Yeah.
Okay, she'll roll. I'm all right if she rolls.
Actually, you can start the trash can if you want to
Oh,
start
that
with
would be
the
good.
trash
I could
can.
do the trash can. Because
I'll
once
move
again,
that over there.
here you go.
Thank you.
Nice job.
Ooh.
We're not going to do a little window?
Yeah, I'm going to take it out after.
Oh, got it. I'm wondering, where's the little black window?
Yeah.
Okay. Trash can. Every campsite has trash cans. Ours is going to have one because, of course, we're camping in Minnesota for so many years. You know about bears, and you have to watch them because they will get into your garbage, your food. So we're building a garbage can that's kind of really worn, and the bear is in it. And you can see we're going to have some garbage coming out of it. So I'll move that over there. And I started that with Rice Krispies.
How about a little green moss? I think we're gonna.
Guess we're gonna show
get to
green
that
moss.
later on. That's a great
Yep.
idea. Sure.
Green moss, we've got that for them. We've got camp signs.
God, this is awesome.
So I'm just rolling this. It's just a piece that I took and cut. Rolling it.
Rolling.
Until
So
it
we're
gets
both
so far.
rolling.
We're both rolling.
So somebody else has to do something now.
Okay.
I'm
And
just
when we
kidding.
tap dance. All right, so I've just rolled, and I'm gonna press it really tight. So that when I put my fondant onto it, all of those little openings aren't there, and I don't have to worry about putting any buttercream or anything onto it, all right? Yes, you have to pound on it.
Yep.
It's a must.
It's a must. It's a must. And so I kind of cheated. Instead of having to make the whole lid separately, I just took a tool and I went right inside here and I cut.
Yeah, a little longer than that.
A little longer than that?
Yeah.
Have everyone ever, you've
So that
seen her
way.
little mini roller, right? It travels the world with her.
The world.
She loves
Yeah.
that little mini.
The
All right, so you
world.
see here my little garbage can now. It's got a little, it can say hello. Hello? Okay. So all I'm going to do is press the top of that. And then down inside here, I have to make the room for the bear to go into. So just take your thumb and really condense down the Rice Krispie. All right? And then pull it up. If you start to lose the shape, just roll it. That's all you have to do. All right? And then we're going to take gray fondant and cover it. So we're both working with fondant now.
We are. Okay, so I just cut a straight edge over here. And that is actually what's going to go in this front. So I need to kind of flip this around. There we go. Lift it up. Bring the cake over. And it can overlap there a little bit. Like so. Okay, smooth that down.
We have a quick comment.
Yes.
So we thought that was Clyde's roller.
Clyde's roller. Okay, so I'm just going to fold this over like this. It's a little big for Clyde. And then trim this. And we'll be putting a little opening there, so we'll be cleaning that area up. Okay, I can trim the bottom, and then I'll be adding a second piece. Actually, I might not.
Want to hand me over your tiny little roller? Thank you.
If I can get this fold in the right spot and then camouflage it.
Camouflaging. We are camping.
Camouflage. Camouflage. You can add it kind of depends. We're going to have a tree and some other things back here. So, but you can always put an extra little piece back here, which I might end up doing anyway.